Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are fine. As you know, we start chapter number 3, which is integration, and our exercise 3.3. In our previous lecture we complete its part first. Here we are going to solve its second part, which is evaluate the following integral. Now let's start its question number 9, which is integral dx over 1 plus x square part 3 by 2. Let's start its solution. Here given, or firstly let I equal to integral dx over 1 plus x square 3 by 2 and say equation first. Remember one thing, when we have the question at this type 1 plus x square and without under root, then here we put x equal to tan theta के. So put x equal to tan theta के. When we take derivative of this, then it become dx equal to secant square theta d theta के. Now put these values in equation 1. So I becomes I equals to integral secant square theta over 1 plus tan square theta d theta. As we know, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So I equals to integral secant square theta over secant square theta part 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 cancel out. Then remaining part is integral secant square theta over secant cube theta d theta. So here secant square theta over secant cube theta cancel each other, and I equals to integral d theta over secant theta. As we know, 1 over secant theta equal to cos theta, so I equal to integral cos theta d theta. Now integration cos theta equals to sin theta and plus c constant. As we know, we put x equal to tan theta and here we have sin theta. So here we make or change this sin theta into tan theta. For this purpose, multiply and divide by cos theta, sin, so it becomes sin theta over cos theta dot cos theta plus c. As we know, sin theta over cos theta equal to tan theta dot 1 over secant theta, and cos theta equal to 1 over sec theta. And also we know sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So here sec theta equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta. So put the value of tan theta here and here. So tan theta equal to x, and again put the value of tan theta, so it becomes x over under root 1 plus x square and plus c, and this is our required answer. For better understanding of this part, here we are going to solve one more question, which is question number 16, integral cos x into natural log sin x over sin x into dx. Now let's start its solution. Firstly let I equal to integral cos x into natural log sin x over sin x into dx. Now by rearranging this equation, it becomes natural log sin x over cos x over sin x into dx. Now here put t equal to natural log sin x. Then dt equals to 1 over sin x, and again derivative of the sin x, which become cos x. So dt equal to cos x over sin x. Put the value of t and dt in this equation. So I equals to t dt के. And when we integrate this t, then here as we know its power is 1, so add 1 into its power 1 plus 1 and divide it with its power. So t 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c, and it becomes t square by 2 plus c. Now put again here the value of t, which is natural log of sin x over 2. So it becomes natural log of sin x square over 2 plus c, and this is our required value. And this is the end of our lecture.